What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to take a look at a feature of 3D Print Manager called Web Libraries. So Web Libraries is a embedded browser inside of 3D Print Manager. What's cool about that is that it will actually make downloading and importing stuff into the library faster. Especially if your downloads folder on your computer is on a different drive than your library. It'll definitely make it faster if that is the case. Let's take a look here at mine. So I'm logged into my mini factory. That's where I get all my own files from. I'm going to go and jump to my library and I'm going to grab some of my latest files here. We're just going to let these download. Of course, you can select multiple of them and download multiple at a time. Unfortunately, I can't make downloading go faster. So we're just going to sit tight here while this download finishes. All right, looks like our download is done. So now we can go ahead and import these files. I prepared a folder for them already. And these are monsters, and they're also pretty horrifying monsters. Yeah, we'll give them horrifying, I think. All right, and I'll also upload those to my cloud library, and let's import them. Awesome. So now I can either go to the files, or of course I can remain here inside the web library if I want to. We can see my thumbnails are currently getting generated. Okay, let's talk about uploading next. Any website we use inside the web library, if they have an upload control, I can click on it and I'm going to get a special dialog that will allow me to browse our library. Now I can choose multiple files, one file. I can select them and it's going to upload all those files into that control for us. So I don't have to sift through File Explorer to find all the files I want to upload. I can instead use the library dialog. I can use the search inside the library dialog and filters if I want to, and I can upload directly from here. All right, well, I think that's about it for covering the web library. Thanks everyone for taking the time to watch. If you have any suggestions or desires for the features of this application, please hit us up on one of our social media platforms. I'll leave links in the description to all of those places. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.